Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me.
Good afternoon, guys. Well, we're up at the waterfalls now. The waterfalls is over there. I'll show you in a bit. That's the car park area. Very interesting coming in here with the van, Ivy. Wow, trying to get up these lanes. We're on goat tracks, I think, doing cart tracks. So be aware. Don't follow Google Maps on an iPhone. Wow, where did it took us stupid. This is by Pistyll Rhaeadr area. I'll put a link when I do the editing on it for you, so you can see where it is exactly. We're just gonna go a bit further up, walk up here. Claire's just sitting there now, taking 5 minutes. I'm gonna carry on up here, and then hopefully we can give you some more shots a bit further up. Catch you later. There you go, guys. I said I couldn't pronounce it, so that's it. Pistyll Rhaeadr. So that's where we are. This is the path of the waterfalls that we're carrying on up. It's pretty well so far, not too steppy. It's just this sort of pathway going up. A few steps starting here as you go up higher and higher. We're going up there. What a view though. Back down into the valley. They say on the way up here, down that where that road was, there's a bit of a gridlock at one point. It wasn't caused by us. The police were already on the road there, and they were directing the traffic. So we had a bit of help coming up. But it wouldn't stop you coming up in the big van. We got it up here all right, and they didn't say to us, "Oh, you can't go up there with that." So that was all right. So yeah, we'll carry on up here. Well, guys, we've just been told by the people just coming back down just there. Then there's two ways. They went up the steep way, which is like a staircase up. You can see them people. And then apparently this one, the route we're on here, which is just a slate pathway up, goes up to the same way, but obviously easy, especially with Gizzy or the dog, or not wanting to climb up them stairways. So we're going to take a bit more of the easier route. Still to the top though. Catch you in a bit. And still we climb up. Bit of a climb, guys. Look at the views though, well worth it. Go into the valley there. Go into the valley over there. And this does look steeper than it looks on here, probably. Isn't it? Is this steep? Yeah, man. So yeah, carry on. What a view. Guys, there's the van down there, look. Just about to see it in the car park right down there, Ivy. That's a view from where we are now. We're virtually at the top, I think, now. From the looks of it. So we'll push on a bit further. So guys, it looks like we're virtually at the highest point here walking wise, unless you want to go hiking further up there to the top. I think the waterfalls itself is down in the woods back there somewhere. So let's go and have a look. So here we go, guys. Here's the waterfalls we're at now. Trying to find a way down that don't fall. Looks busy though. People everywhere. I suppose it's going to be an attraction, so everybody's going to be here. That's why it's so busy coming up here. Coming down, yeah. Just gonna down there a little bit. So there you have it, the waterfall starting there, coming down. We're going to go down to the bottom after, because obviously there's a place at the bottom where you can see it towering down. Watch your feet, feet steps, yeah. Get back down in the valley. Supposed to see the van back down there, look. And that road we came in. Oh, it does. Stay in there for a minute. Stay there for a minute, yeah? Just saying, Claire, stay there with you. I'll just have a quick look over here in a second when I get by. So busy though. Claire's up there, looks at the gears. That's a hell of a drop down there.
Blue top, red shorts, channel next to it. Lewis!
Wow.
Oh, look, get a picture of them up there.
About as close as I'm going to be able to get in there, guys. Without, that's that sheer cliff drop, that is. So yeah, back up to over where Claire is. So here we are guys at the bottom of the waterfalls now. That's where they're selling ice creams, the reception area. We just found out you can camp here. There is a campsite that you can camp here. Don't know how much exactly yet, we haven't found exact, but you can camp here. You have to get, be a member, but the chap said, oh, you just easy to get that, but he didn't know much about it. He said, come speak to the boss. So, yeah, we just got to have a look into that. But there is physically no reception here at all, so if you want reception or Wi-Fi or internet, you get nothing here at all. Amazing that, isn't it guys? Look at that. It's where I was earlier on when I took that other one right up there. Hey? Oh, somebody's got a drone. Yeah. Good idea. Somebody has got a drone going by the looks of it.
And it just came on me. So I was just holding onto the branches and then picking up a hook.
So many people here though, that's the trouble. I was saying to everyone that's where we were before me, just at the top there, where I took that video up the top there, over the side. If I can get a little bit closer. Amazing that, isn't it? Absolutely amazing. Gizzy and Claire a chance in it. So you coming up? So you coming up then? Yes. See that archway through the rocks up there, look. See it? There, look. Yeah, it's really amazing, isn't it guys? We'll leave it there for now because there's so many people about. So catch you later. Hi guys, here we are now Saturday night, or Saturday evening. Sorry about before, we lost battery completely when we were at the waterfall, so we couldn't really finish off from where we were, but we're virtually done. Here we are now tonight on another park for night in Tryfan, which is just outside Oswestry, which is in a place, the pub is called the Barley Mow. Nice little park up. We're parked here for the night. Just going to, come in, parked up, and just asked any chance of parking here for the evening if we have a drink. They said yeah, by all means, you know, it's free, especially if you have a meal, it's free, which we're going to have something to eat here tonight. Claire's already here, had one look already. And on a second already.
Two right.
And I've only had none yet.
Cheers, guys. This is his fourth.
No. Till later then, guys. Bye.